Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Jake, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a beautiful minimalistic blog site. You're going to be able to create the whole thing in about 5 seconds, importing this entire package. And it's going to come with all of your core pages. It's going to come with blog post outlines. It's going to come with your customizer settings, everything that you need so you can go from a completely blank website to a fully fledged website that is ready for you to add your content and images in no time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And so here I am on the website. We just released a brand new product called Start Blogging Themes. And what they are child themes that you can install and import onto your website to turn a blank website into a fully fledged website in no time at all. And they're built 100% with the free Cadence theme and the free Cadence Blocks plugin. And then since it's a child theme, it takes all of the styling, all of your core pages and blog post outlines and customizer settings that we have set, and it bundles it together in a simple package that you can import onto your website in about 5 seconds. And it's the fastest way to get started with a beautiful WordPress site that is going to be perfect for an affiliate blog. It's going to be perfectly optimized for mobile, so it looks good on all screen sizes, and it's going to have all of the setup work done for you. So let's show you what all this theme offers. So here you have your homepage where you're able to tell your readers what you're all about, what services you offer, what products you might provide. You have various call to actions here that you can get people to click. You can tell them a little bit about yourself. You have recent articles that you have recently created for your blog. You have a link to subscribe to your weekly newsletter. And so here's your beautiful about page. This is where you can tell users about you, share a little bit of your story, and get people to connect with you and trust you. And you can tell about your experience. You have different follow links, and you can obviously customize any of these things to make them your own. And then here we are on the blog page. This has a nice form to sign up for a weekly newsletter or whatever it is that you want to offer your visitors. And so this could be a lead magnet to start building your email list, which is so important to do, especially when you first get started. And then as you scroll down here, we have a section here for all of your articles. So this, as you create different blog posts and publish them, they will show up here, and you can break this out and you could show this to be different categories if you'd like, or however you want to show it. It's very, very flexible. And you can see a few of the blog posts that we have here. These are some of the blog post outlines, which I will get into shortly here, but we have a number of fully fledged, comprehensive blog post outlines that are going to get you started blogging faster than anybody else out there. There are various AI prompts that we have integrated in there to help you write your content. We have different instructions that guide you and have the perfect Google-friendly outlines. So we'll definitely get into that shortly here. And then here's your contact page. It's super simple, and that's all it needs to be because it has one job, and that's to get people to contact you, fill out this form. So this might be, if someone wants to have a sponsorship with you, or perhaps they want to reach out about your services or products that you offer. This is a perfect form that'll get you started and get people contacting you so that you can get in touch with them. So these 4 pages that I just showed, the home, about, blog, and contact, these are your 4 core pages that every website should have. And we have those set up in the menu here, but we have a number of other pages that we provide you. And so here we have a dedicated newsletter page, and it has the same sign up that we had on the blog page, but this is really nice because you can tell users about your newsletter, or perhaps this is a digital product that you offer, or you can change it to whatever you'd like. And then you can tell users what's inside and what they can expect to get out of your newsletter. And then you have that form. And so this is great if you want to link to this in your blog post, if you want to link to this on your socials, wherever it is. If you want to just lead people to a dedicated newsletter page that has one simple action to sign up for your form, then this is a perfect page to use for that. We have a coming soon page that has this awesome countdown timer and a sign up form for people to get on your list to wait for you to launch. And so this can be enabled with the click of a button. And so when people go to your website, you can have it so that they only see this while you're building out your website. Perhaps you want to add content, swap the images out, swap the content, get it all ready. And then once you're ready, all you have to do is just switch it back to your homepage and you're set. And then the last page we offer is this links page here. And this is perfect to have a link tree type of page without paying Linktree anything. If you own your own website, especially on WordPress, there's no use in paying Linktree to have a type of page like this when you can just build it your own and you have all the customization options available to you. And so you can put an image here, you can have your Instagram handle, you can have different social links here, and then you can have different buttons to all the most important pages on your website or wherever you want to lead people. And then you can place this page into your social bios or wherever you'd like. So as I mentioned before, this website that I just showed you is our very first product from Start Blogging Themes. And if you're interested in it, you can go to startbloggingthemes.com. And here is the page that you will land on. And these are going to be a number of child themes that we're going to offer. And so this is the solution that I wish I had back in 2014 when I started blogging. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea how to start a website. And that is one of the hardest parts, is simply getting started, learning how to build the website, making it mobile friendly, figuring out how to make call to actions, figuring out how to get people to click and purchase on your website. And if you're a beginner, that's just so difficult to do. And so I have taken my nearly decade of knowledge of doing affiliate blogging and wrapped it all into these Start Blogging themes. And then we also have Start Blogging blocks, which I'll show a little later here. But I created this very first theme here called the Discover theme that you can see right here, and the one that I just showed you. And we are currently designing and building a number of these child themes, and they're going to be epic. And they're going to save you hundreds of hours because you can go from nothing to having a fully fledged website. And then you can focus on the truly important things in your business, which is creating content, creating blog posts to drive traffic from Google, and focusing your hours on revenue generating items. And so you're probably wondering how this works. And I'm telling you, it's extremely easy to get started. So if you're just starting out, you purchase your hosting, you have WordPress installed on a blank website, you're going to have it and it's going to look something like this. You have absolutely no content. All you have is just the simple skeleton that makes up your website. So all you have to do to use Start Blogging Themes is first enable the free Cadence theme, which I have here. So I have installed and activated the free Cadence theme on this website. And then the only other thing that you need is the Cadence Starter Templates plugin, which is also completely free. And so you can see I have the Cadence Starter Templates plugin also installed and activated on this website. And then the next piece is purchasing a Start Blogging theme. And so here I am back on the Start Blogging Themes website. And here I have the Discover product page, which is one of our themes. And you just have to go to the Buy Now button and purchase, and you'll be instantly sent the zip file, which has everything packaged up and ready for you. And then after purchase, you'll go to your email, download the zip file, and then all you have to do is upload that as a new theme on top of your Cadence theme. So you could go to Appearance, Themes, go up to Add New, and then you'll see this button that says Upload Theme. So I'm gonna click that, and then you'll see this file uploader where you will pick the zip file from your Start Blogging Themes purchase. So I've chosen the Discover zip file that I got from my purchase, and I'm gonna click Install Now. And then WordPress is gonna go and make sure that you have the parent theme, which is the free Cadence theme, installed on your website. And you can see that it is currently installed, which I just showed. And then you're just going to activate the child theme by clicking the Activate button here. And then you can see that I have the Discover child theme installed and activated on my website, which gives us the styling for our website. And then the very last piece we need to do is import all of the content, which are the core pages, the blog post outlines, and all of that. So we're gonna go over under Cadence to the Starter Templates plugin here. And since we purchased a Start Blogging theme, there's gonna be a new option in the drop down in the upper right here. So where it says Gutenberg, we're gonna click that, and you're gonna see Start Blogging 101. And so let's click that. And then whatever theme you purchase, you will see here. So in this case, it's the Discover theme. So I'm gonna click on that, and you'll see this modal pop up that says Import Starter Template. And then if you open the import details here, it says that it needs Cadence blocks on the website, just the free version. That's totally fine. This will automatically install and activate for you. And then if you go under advanced settings here, you can see that there are 2 toggles enabled to import all of the ideal customizer settings that we have set for the theme, and then import the content, which are all the pages and blog post outlines that I talked about before. And then all you have to do is click Start Import and wait a few seconds. And just like that, you'll see this message that says Import Complete. We have the Discover theme here, and it says Finished, View Your Site. So let's click on that. And here we are exactly where the video started. We have the entire website perfectly set up just like the demo that I showed you, and everything is here for you, ready to go. All right, so you might be wondering how fast this child theme is from Start Blogging Themes, and we have built this to be extremely fast because it's built on top of the Cadence theme, and it uses the built-in WordPress editor. And so here I am on Google PageSpeed Insights, and I have the Discover Child theme from Start Blogging Themes on a brand new website, a domain out there, and we're gonna run it through here and see how it ranks for performance. So I have the website in there and I'm gonna click Analyze. So here the report came back and you can see I'm on the mobile tab, which is the most important tab that you need to be optimizing your website for because Google uses mobile first indexing, and you can see that it scores a 100 out of 100 on the performance as a first contentful paint of 1.4 seconds, no total blocking time, and 0 cumulative layout shift, which are the 3 factors for Google's core web vitals. And the only thing I have on this website is that it's using fast hosting. And using fast web hosting is one of the most important pieces to your website speed. But I have 0 optimization plugins or caching plugins installed on this website, and it's still scoring a 100 out of 100 on the mobile tab. Now, obviously, these numbers can fluctuate once you start putting a bunch of plugins and things on your site. But once you have very fast hosting and you're using a super lightweight fast theme, such as the Cadence theme, which this Discover theme is built on top of, you have the 2 most important pieces for passing Google's core web vitals. And when you do that, you're going to get a Google ranking boost. And that's going to help the blog posts that you create rank even higher on Google, which is huge because if you can jump even 1 spot from say number 3 to number 2 in the Google search results, that can mean hundreds, if not thousands of additional page views depending on the keywords that you are ranking for. So many people push off website speed and act like it's not a big deal, but Google is favoring faster sites more and more. But regardless of Google, having a fast website is going to give all of your visitors a fantastic experience. Conversion rates have been proven to go up on much faster websites, and overall it's just going to make everything better on your website. And so back in the WordPress dashboard, I'm on the pages on the left-hand side here. You can see that we have all those core pages and other pages that I talked about all listed here. And then let's show you the blog post outlines because this is what is so cool and this is what differentiates us from so many people out there because we have comprehensive blog post outlines. Nobody else is doing this. And there are also AI prompts integrated in there, which is even cooler. So let's show you that. So I'm going to click posts on the left-hand side here. So here we have the blog post outlines. We have a product review outline, and then we have a few various listicle posts, which are list posts that'd be, the 5 best or the top 10, whatever. And so let's go into one of these and show you what it's all about. So I'm going to click on the sample listicle post 2 here. And then you can see that we have an entire comprehensive blog post outline written for you. So you can do your featured image here. You have a table of contents that reads in all of your headings automatically. We have these beautiful product boxes. These are the most popular blocks that we have created. And so this is where you can list your best choice. You can have the product title, a little paragraph about it. You can put an image here, your own product image, or you can put an image from Amazon. It all works perfectly. You have a big buy now button, which entices people to click. And this drastically increases conversion rates on your website. There have been so many customers that have seen a huge increase in sales and affiliate commissions. You come down and you have various pros and cons that you can talk about the product. And then there are some instructions for what you should add to your post to make it enticing for Google. And then we list these out for a number of different products all the way down. So you have this for about 5 products, but then you can obviously add more blocks if you would like to. And so speaking of blocks, every single Start Blogging theme comes with its own dedicated cloud library that is made up of all of the blocks and pages that we used to create the website. And so as soon as you import in your Start Blogging theme, if you're on any post or page, you'll see this Cadence Design Library button up here. So if you click that, you can see since I purchased the Discover Start Blogging theme that there is a tab up here already. And this has all of the different pages and various sections that we built to create this entire theme, and they're all readily available for you to import in on your website. If you ever want to recreate a section, perhaps you want to redo something, they're all right here. So we have the different full pages, and so these are the entire pages that I had showed you before. We have the various individual sections. We have different elements. So these are the elements used to create the sidebar. We have an affiliate disclosure you can add, a custom footer, and then we have all the blog post outlines here. And so if you ever want to create a new blog post, you can simply start with one of these outlines by just opening a new blog post and clicking whichever one you want, and it's going to import all of this stuff instantly for you. So I just explained how every Start Blogging theme comes with its own dedicated cloud library, like this tab here that I showed you, but we have an additional separate product that goes hand in hand with Start Blogging themes, and that's called Start Blogging Blocks. And what they are is over 250 individual templates and full pages that we've built that can be used on any website that's using cadence blocks. And when you add Start Blogging Blocks to your site, especially one that's using a Start Blogging theme, it's going to just give you an endless amount of customization options to further tweak your blog posts and your landing pages. And the best part is that we have over 70 templates 100% for free in Start Blogging Blocks that you can add to your website. So you'd be silly not to add it to your website and have those free blocks available to you so that you can further customize these things without needing to build anything yourself. So let's connect to the Start Blogging Blocks library and show you how easy it is to build an affiliate blog post and landing pages and customize your theme even further. So I'm going to go to the plus icon here, which connects to a different cloud, and then I'm going to enter in the connection URL and the connection access key, and I'll show you how you can do this and get your free license code shortly here. But here I am. I've connected to the Start Blogging Blocks library. You can see the line right here. And now I have a brand new tab called SB Blocks. And so I'm going to click that. And here you have the entire library of Start Blogging Blocks available to you on your website, just like you did with your own child theme that we showed you here. And we have a ton of different blocks to make it easier to build affiliate blog posts and landing pages. So we have a bunch of alerts here. We have pros and cons boxes, just like you saw in the blog post before, with a bunch of different variations. We have awesome product boxes. So here's that very popular product box that I showed you, but we have a ton of different ones here. We have product grids and product tables. Here are the product summaries that I showed you, pricing tables, hero sections, content sections, and so much more. And like I said, if you're using your free license, which I'll show you how to get in just a second here, you have access to over 70 free templates available to you. So I'm going to go over to the free tab here. And here are all the free templates that you have available to you. These are 100% free and always will be, and can be used on any website that's using cadence blocks. And so say we're creating a brand new blog post and we want to add one of those product boxes that I showed you from the Listicle blog post before. I'm going to go over to product boxes here, and I'm going to choose this first one right here. And you can see that that instantly imports onto our page. It's all here and ready to go. You can customize this however you want. So if you want this to say buy now, you can just type buy now. You can change this to say, best pick or whatever you want. And then you can add your image here. And it's that simple to add a product box like this to your website. And then right after the product box, say we want to show a pros and cons box. I'm going to go to the design library here. Once again, I'm on the Start Blogging Blocks library. I'm going to go over to pros and cons, and let's choose this one right here. And so that instantly imports just like we had before. It's a slightly different variation because, like I said, we have a number of variations of all these kinds of blocks. And then you can start adding your pros and cons. And so maybe one of the pros for this product is that it's very affordable. And you can just start typing your pros and cons, and it's that simple to have a blog post that looks so much better than other blog posts out there, and don't just have a big wall of text that's super boring to read and it's not going to convert. And so if you're interested in getting Start Blogging Blocks on your website, you can go to startbloggingblocks.com, and then I'm just going to scroll down here. And this section that says try Start Blogging Blocks free, all you have to do is give your first name and an email, and you will get your free license code sent directly to you in the 3 very easy steps to get connected to the Start Blogging Blocks library. It takes less than 30 seconds. And then real quickly, let's just show you how to use Start Blogging Blocks to build a landing page from scratch. So I'm gonna go back to the WordPress dashboard here. I'm gonna go to Pages, and then I'm gonna add a brand new page. So say I wanna build a different type of home page, or maybe it's a landing page for some product that you have. I'm gonna first come up here and change some of the page settings. So I'm gonna click on Page Settings, and then I'm going to disable the page title here. I'm gonna set the page layout to full width. I'm gonna make the content style unboxed so that it's truly full width here. And then I'm going to disable the content vertical padding, and I'm gonna disable the show featured image. And so these are the settings I like using for a full width page, such as a home page or any type of landing page. And up in the title here, I'm just gonna type homepage 2, and then I'm gonna go up to the Cadence design library and start building this with Start Blogging Blocks. So in the Start Blogging Blocks library, I'm gonna go down to the hero category here, and then let's click on this one right here, which is a 2-column hero section with text on the left and an image on the right. And you can see that that instantly imported in. It looks perfect. All you have to do is just swap out the headline that you want, a little description here, and configure your call to action buttons, and then use whatever image you want. And then after the hero section, say you want to add a few content boxes. So I'm going to go up to the Cadence design library button. I'm going to go down to the content category, and then I'm going to scroll through and see which content boxes I want to add. And so let's add this one right here. Once again, that imports in perfectly. You have 3 content boxes here with icons and headlines that you can easily swap out. You can add call to action buttons for these, which are super simple to customize. And then just for the sake of a quick demo, let's add a pricing table and an FAQ section. So I'm gonna go up to the Cadence design library again. I'm gonna go down to pricing table, and let's add this one here. So here you have a perfect 3-column pricing table with the middle plan being the most popular option. And it has a nice dark theme to draw the user's eyes to it. And you can add all your plan featured items and your prices and the different plan names along with the sign up buttons here. And then let's quickly add an FAQ section to end our landing page. So I'm once again going to go to the design library. I'll go down to the FAQ section, and then I'm going to use this second one right here. And so that FAQ section pops in here, and I'm actually just going to change the background color, which is very simple. So I'm just going to go over to the style tab here to the background color, and let's make it this color. So that looks great, and let's preview this. So here we have our landing page. It has the hero section that we just added, has the 3 content boxes. It has a 3-column pricing table and an FAQ section that we just built in a matter of a few minutes. And now obviously you'd most likely want to add more to this page, but I just wanted to show how quick and easy it is to take a Start Blogging theme and then add Start Blogging Blocks to that theme. And then you basically have endless customization options to mix and match any of these sections and build it however you'd like. And so a couple of these blog post outlines are integrated with AI prompts, as I mentioned before, and we're going to be adding even more. And so let's show you how that works. So let's go to the sample product review post right here. And you can see in this product review blog post outline here, if you scroll down here, we have this beautiful product summary box that has different highlights that you can highlight about the product and overall rating. It has a pros and cons list baked into this section, a big call to action button to entice people to click, and various different taglines. And then it goes into your featured image, your table of contents, and then a very Google friendly outline that we have used on a number of product reviews that make tens of thousands of dollars every single year. And so let's show you how to integrate some of these AI prompts that I was telling you about. And so if we scroll back up to the top here, you can see we have a link here, and this goes to a dedicated tutorial video that I created that shows you exactly how to use these AI prompts and get the most out of them. And they're going to help you write blog posts 5 to 10 times faster than you were before. Now, using these AI prompts does require you to have access to a separate AI copywriting tool that works directly in the WordPress editor. And my favorite one right now for that is Jasper AI. And so I'll have a link for that in the description below, and you can get started with a 7-day free trial. In fact, Jasper AI recently just announced that they have unlimited credits on even their base plan. So that means you can generate an unlimited amount of words directly in the editor here, which is going to allow you to create all sorts of blog posts that are going to bring traffic from Google and make you more money. Once you have started your trial of Jasper AI or have purchased it, you have to just get the Jasper Chrome extension, which allows you to use Jasper on basically any app that you can think of or web page. And so I'll have a link to that in the description below as well. But all you have to do is add this to Chrome and you should be set. And so now that I've added this to Chrome, you will see this little Jasper icon in the bottom right here. And then anytime you click into any of these lines that start with this greater than sign, these are going to be AI prompts that we have integrated into this blog post outline. And so say we're creating a product review for the Cadence theme. All we have to do is swap out these variables here to tell Jasper what we want to write about, and then you run the command and it just goes and does it automatically for you. So we're going to say, write an interesting introduction for a product review about the Cadence theme, talking to audience. And so for our audience is going to be bloggers who desired result. And so for this, I'm going to say, want to create a fast, profitable blog. And then you can see that there's a little play button right here and it says run command with Jasper. And so all you have to do now is click this button and watch the magic happen. And so just like that, Jasper is going and writing a perfect intro paragraph for your blog post. It says, Cadence theme is the perfect solution for bloggers looking to create a fast, profitable blog. Its intuitive design and low-code approach make it easy to set up a blog in no time with no coding experience required, yada, yada, yada. So if you're looking for an efficient way to launch your blog into the stratosphere, try the Cadence theme. This is a perfect intro paragraph for your blog, and it just wrote that in a few seconds. And so we have these AI prompts integrated all throughout these blog post outlines. And so let me just show you one more of these really quick. Say that we want some content to fill out these different product highlights here. You can see that we have an AI prompt here that says, write a list of 6 product aspects for product. And so for here, I'm going to say the Cadence theme, along with a very short description for each. Each title should be 1 word only. So let's click run command with Jasper and see what he produces. And so just like that, it spit out 6 different product aspects. Each title is only 1 word and then a short description of each, which is perfect. And so let's just take, design here and we'll just plug that in for highlight 1. And then we can take the description here and just copy that. And we'll just throw that into here. And you can do that for all of those. And just like that, you have this entire highlight section of product aspects completely filled out, all from information that was produced by Jasper within a few seconds. And so this is absolutely mind-blowing. It's so cool what you can do with AI, and this is literally just the beginning of it. We have AI prompts integrated into a couple of our blog post outlines, and we're going to be integrating them into even more of our pages so that you can build your landing pages, such as your home pages, or maybe you have a product page or whatever it might be. We're going to be creating these AI prompts that are going to be integrated in there. And this theme that we've built is very, very easy to customize using all of Cadence Block's functionality. And so here are a couple of websites out there that are using this theme already that have swapped out their images and their content to build a fully fledged website in a matter of only a day or two and have an entire website done. Whereas before, if you needed to learn how to build all of these sections and make it all mobile friendly and everything, it would take you hundreds of hours. And so here's one here with the homepage all filled out. The best part is that it automatically inherits your global colors. So when you change your Cadence global color palette, it's going to change all of the colors automatically throughout your entire website. So if you change your main accent color to an orange color like this, or whatever it might be, it's going to go and update that instantly across your website. We can see what the blog page looks like. This is an embedded form from ConvertKit if you want to use something like that. And then we have different articles. So this is what it looks like when you start publishing a number of blog posts. They will show up beautifully here. Like I said, you can break this out into categories if you would like, which is awesome. Here's another fantastic website here from Maurice. He literally took the theme and rebuilt his entire website within a matter of a few hours, including all of his content and images, swapping it out. And you can see that when you start adding real data and things to this, how cool this can look, right? And so you have different information about you, different articles. He embedded a form here because it's so easy to customize. And then if you go to the the about page here. You have a different image here. You have some information about him and his story, which is so awesome. And then lastly, I'll show this blog page because I just think this is so cool. He talks a bit about his blog, and then if you go down, you can see all of his blog post articles that he wrote, and these images just look beautiful in here, and it just all brings us in perfectly because we have tweaked and optimized these layouts to look great no matter what. So that's how easy it is to create a minimal, beautiful blog on WordPress within a matter of only a few minutes. And it's an entire package that has everything you need with your core pages and blog post outlines and the ideal customizer settings that we have set. And best of all, it is going to be screaming fast because it is built on top of the Cadence theme and uses the WordPress built-in editor, which is so much faster than using third-party page builders. And so don't waste hundreds of hours sitting there trying to figure all of this stuff out at first and getting every single one of these pages built, because the most important thing is creating a fantastic starter site, having it all out there, and then you can just focus on your content, getting your pages written, getting your blog posts written so that you can start getting traffic from Google, and you can start making money way faster than someone else who is learning how to do this all from scratch. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what child themes you'd like to see next. What are different use cases that you want to see that we could build for you? Feel free to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.